people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, do you know what, I was actually just sat here getting ready to film a video. I'm going to film a tutorial for the first time with this bad boy, the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, which I will show you because by the time you're watching this it's probably already up, but if not it'll be coming soon. But this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I literally have no idea what kind of, I think I'm just going to go for a purple glittery eye today, to be honest with you, because I don't really know exactly what to go for, but I'll make it up along the way. But I was basically sat and I was thinking, I never really reach for my eyeshadows because like my eyeshadow brushes are normally like in a pot, like mixed in with like they're normally in this pig pot, which you'll see in the background a lot of my videos, and they're normally mixed in with all the big brushes and I can never find them. And I just thought, do you know what? I'm not using my brushes the best way possible. Or at all. I've got tubs up there that has brushes in that I'm also not using, and when they're up there they just get really dusty, so if I did want to use them they just rank anyway when it comes around to actually using them. So I thought I'm going to organise this anyway, but I thought why don't I use this container, put it in one of my Alex drawers, take away my individual eyeshadow drawer which I decluttered the other day. I'm going to combine that in a different drawer somewhere somehow, and I might have a drawer for brushes, and I wanted like a compartment to kind of like differentiate between the two, so kind of like big fluffy, small fluffy, and then I'm thinking like little detaily ones, if that makes sense. I don't know yet, but I literally just thought I'll see if everything fits first. And it does, I'll show you. So this used to be my individual eyeshadow drawer, so I've literally just spin around, just put all my stuff in here for now. I'm sorting my life out, sorting my life out. So I basically took it out of this drawer, because this one used to have, well obviously it's got like glitters and stuff over there anyway. Sorry, I don't know why the autofocus was off there, but yeah, I've took it out of this drawer to see if it fits in this drawer, and it does. So what originally this like kind of holds is eyelash glue in this compartment with kind of like tweezers, like eye tweezer sharpeners, little daft little stuff. This one is all stuff that I basically need to declutter, and to be honest with you, the majority of this will get binned because it is like, I say, over 7 years old. And then this one here has minis of Benefit by Galbang, and they're real, that I actually bought for my friend and I keep forgetting to give her it. And then I've also got the Anastasia stick foundation, which I need to do a video on for you as well. So I'm thinking if I declutter all of this, I might organise my brushes like that. That makes sense. I was going to say as well, I actually do have 2 uni assignments doing, but I'm doing this instead. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't really know, should I just do a declutter with this here? I was gonna wait and declutter them lip glossy things together, but I might just declutter with them now. So we've got like number 7 chubby sticks, which I used to be obsessed with like years ago, and like I said, the majority of this is going to go in the bin, so that'll be going in the bin. I'm going to keep this NYX liquid suede lipstick. It's like a dark one. This one will be okay for now. It'll be good for like Halloween. Another chubby stick I'm going to bin. Revolution, I don't know what this is, but I think that's old, so I'm going to bin it. Another colour stick that I'm going to bin. I'm going to put them all in this little bag so I can just shove them in my bin over there, because my bin is the other side of my bedroom and I got big boxes everywhere, so I can't actually get to it at the moment. We've got the Max Factor Colour Elixir little chubby stick. That's going to go in the bin. Another chubby stick, this one's from L'Oreal. So basically, let me just give you a little bit of a backstory to this. I used to wear chubby sticks all the time, like they were massive so many years ago. Like, and I mean like we're talking when did I start working at Farm Foods? 17? 18-year-old? I'm now 25. Definitely need to go in the bin. Like, it's disgusting that I've still got any of it. I'm going to keep the Sexy Mother Pocket lip lacquer because this one will be okay from Southern Glory. Another Revlon chubby stick, a bourgeois one, and we have a Primark Velvet Matte Lipstick Crayon, but I'm just going to put that in the bin because that'll be like, well and truly old. This Tanya Burr one is most definitely gone funny because it's all separated. We have the Topshop Velvet Lips, which I don't even think we do anymore. More Revolution lip glosses that I'm going to put in the bin. We have this one, which looks, I don't know if this will even focus. Will it focus? Yeah. This one here, as you can see, is Makeup Forever that I got from TK Maxx. And that is disgusting, so that's going in the bin. I don't think I've ever wore that as well. Like, I need to stop doing this. And just buying stuff for the sake of it. That's what I used to do back then, I think. I think I did anyway. I had full intentions of wearing it. Tiny Bear lip gloss going in the bin. NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This one's, I think it's in, is it Teen Cookies? Yeah, I used to love this. I'm going to keep this. Although it probably does need binning, but I'm going to keep it anyway. 2 of the LA Girl Glaze lip glosses that can go in the bin. Another chubby stick, I think that's number 7. A Revlon chubby stick. We have another of the Max Factor Colour Elixir. We have a Ted Baker lip gloss, which will need binning in as well. A Revolution Salvation Velvet Liquor from Revolution needs binning. Emmy one, and then this one from LA Girl, the Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. Shit. Pure shit. That's going in the bin. So that is all of them binned. Like, I've literally kept 2, have I? 3? The Soap and Glory and the 2. That Soap and Glory needs binning. I'm just going to bin that. So I'm pretty sure I've got, yeah, I've got like 4 of the other Soap and Glory ones in my drawer, so I don't need any more. But I am going to keep them 2 NYX ones for now. See whether they make the next cut. I just made them, they don't fit my lipstick drawer. Okay. So, all of them minis and the Anastasia stuff, I'm going to put the minis in that drawer that I've just kind of decluttered all that stuff from. Like the little container from, because obviously that's for my friend. The stick foundation I'm actually going to put in my foundation drawer, because I need to do a video on that for use. What else do we have? Okay, so now we've got all of my glues. So we have the eyelash glue, Revlon one. We have a unicorn lashes one. We've got some Rubis tweezers, which were very kindly sent to me from Sparkle PR. I've got a little eyebrow comb. I've got my House of Lash glue, which is like literally my favourite lash glue. I've tried that Revlon one and it's okay, but I haven't tried that unicorn one that I bought, so I don't know if that's any better, but so far the House of Lashes one is like the best. Some like little lash applicators that I probably got from Primark, no doubt. The Brow Gal tweezer sharpeners. We've got a little Doll Beauty mirror. Love Doll Beauty. Some little mascara ones from when I did like some like makeup stuff before for clients. We've got that other Revlon one which I said I have tried, but obviously this one's open, and it's okay, it's not like the worst, not the best. I've got some little scissors which are actually quite good for cutting lashes. I've got some Soap and Glory tweezers. I've got some more glue. I think this one might be Doll Beauty glue, I think. I'm not too sure. I have this glue which my friend Lauren got me. Do you know who did my lips? And I haven't tried this yet, but this is meant to be like really good. So I've got the eyelash glue. I'm trying to like use my House of Lashes one before I try to like move on to anything else. I got this cool thing. I'm sure this is from Technic, you know, and it's basically like a magnifying mirror, and then on the side, like the little tweezers come out the side, so you can kind of like have tweezers and your magnifying mirror like on the go 24/7. So yeah, I've got them. We also have the Kiss biotin and blueberry latex free strip lash adhesive, more tweezers, and from Vintage Cosmetics Company. To be fair, they probably need sharpening. I've got some little masking tape for when you get your eyeshadow, so I'm going to keep that in this drawer anyway, because I'm going to put my little shadow shields in this drawer as well, because if I'm going to be getting out my eyeshadow brushes, then obviously I'm going to be doing eyeshadow, so this will be the perfect drawer for it, because otherwise I just forget that it's there. I've got the Lash Unlimited glue, which I actually quite like, and got some Tweezerman for Benefit tweezers, which will definitely need sharpening as well. So let's see how we can organise these brushes. So I'm thinking, I picked their pen. I'm thinking like small detail ones like this can go like in the far drawer, because I don't really do much small detailed stuff. But then like the more like I don't know how to explain it, like the smaller brushes like this are going to be like in with like the small blending brushes, like stuff. Let me have a little look. So these brushes here are going to go in the compartment that's closest to me, because they're going to be like the brush that I use initially. If I'm going to do like an intense look, it's going to be the brush that I use initially to pack the colour onto the lid. And then brushes like these ones, which are bigger and fluffier. I don't know if it'll focus. These ones are going to be in the middle compartment for like the ones like to kind of blend it all out, blend it all through, offer a less like detailed look. And then anything like angled like this brush will go in like the detailed compartment at the end. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do that and see how I get on. Oh, I've just found a little baby duo lash. How little and cute. I'm gonna go over there. So this is what I came up with. I'm not actually happy with it, I'm not gonna lie, but it will do for now. So this has any kind of like small packing detailing kind of brushes on. I've got like the little overflow stuff to like kind of tuck down the side, and then the little tweezers sets back there. I've got my little fake shadow shield, my little tape when I do my lashes, my main lash glue that I've got on the go, and then obviously the scissors to cut the lashes, and then like the applicator, which to be fair I don't really use that often. And then in this one I have a big fluffy brushes to kind of blend everything out, or just apply like a light sweep or something over the lid or whatever. And then this one I have the more smaller blending brushes, the more kind of detailed packing on kind of brushes, if that makes sense. And then up here we have kind of other eyelash glues that I've got open at the moment, kind of overflow / backup, or just general kind of tweezers and stuff. So yeah, that's what I've got going on so far. I think it looks loads better than what it did when it was just an eyeshadow drawer, because I was never using it as an eyeshadow drawer anyway. So yeah, but I'm not 100% keen on this, but we'll work with it. We'll see how we get on. For now, it'll do for now. So obviously I'm going to bin all of them lipsticks and stuff that I decluttered. I'm actually watching a program on Netflix at the moment. I've really just started it, like literally just as I sat down to like start getting ready to film and stuff. And it's just that Back With My Ex thing. I don't know if anyone's watched it or what your thoughts are. But yeah. So another thing that I want to talk to you about is this liquid health. So basically, if you watched my video a very long, well, it feels like it was a long time ago, probably wasn't, of me trying out these liquid health, they're basically like supplements with like collagen, hyaluronic acid, silicone, selenium, vitamins, sweetener, glucosamine, etc. in. I'm just reading the box to make sure I'm saying everything right, which probably wasn't anyway. But basically you take one of these, one a day. I think there was 10, actually. Yeah, there was 10 in a pack, so it's a 20-day, no, there's a 10-day formula. And basically it helps to improve your skin, your hair, your nails. So yeah, I'm just going to have one of these. I'm on to, this is number, how many have I got left? I've got 6 left, so I'm on to number 4 today. And I've tried it before, I've done a full review, I'll leave it linked down below. Oh my god, and dropped it on the floor. Just shake it beforehand, it tastes really nice, tastes fruity. So yeah, I'm just going to have one of them whilst I'm on camera to you guys.